wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy.
48K. Big up yourself. Now, this is the last one we're doing. This one was requested by Zanil. Zanil, big up yourself, my G. Alright, and this is SINTRAP by Najeeriii. How the hell I've reacted to this? I don't know, man. You know, YouTube be fucking up sometimes, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we're gonna jump right in the track. This is Najeeriii. Alright, bro. Alright, Javi. Be safe, G. Take care of yourself, you see me? See you tomorrow. Okay, so this is Najeeriii SINTRAP. This one requested by Zanil. Let's get it.
I see.
Hey, yo, Najeeriii has one of the dopest styles. No cap, come on.
Vanilla gift card, Jacarita gift card. Big girl like on bumbo class, and you gotta hear that.
Yo, me love the song, you know. The song is bad, you know, guys. I could have sworn I reacted to this already. What the fuck, bro? Come in, here what I'm going. Me a runner.
That we a runner. Drop in a this ass. Vanilla gift card, Jacarita split fast. Margarita Villa bitch, swallow me na sit car. I be my drift gun, chopper fi a chip tar. Poverty a sin, so we a chopper, we a lift large. Sasha fi a lip bars, follow me na big stand. Dribble, zoom, so do bang a rinse out. Cool.
Bumbo cry, man say yo. The black zoom, so the bang we a rinse. Easy now, man.
Bro. Cool, na do chopper, we a sin that.
Bumbo claw, bro, I never saw this, bro. I'll be a blood claw weed, you know. So this why man I say yo SINTRAP. These boy be trapping for real. Bro, you know. Yo, I used to trap, so you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna say too much. I used to generate do my thing. But these niggas do their thing for real. I thought it was just, you know, using the word. Like some artists in my car, you know, they hear rappers in America say it, so they just say, no, these niggas trapping for real too, bro. Bro, I did not pay attention to this scene when I watched this video. Real shit. Be a ganja man in my bag out. You know what I mean? Man, I'm also for real too. You know what I mean? Be up yourself.
Tolina I chopper we a sit. Kerbali for cheaper for the bang me a live. At the jacka she a drift so prezi chopper bigger whip. Probably chopper Milan quick and capas chopper need a shift. And me just tell the prezi copy clock and the college. That's the raka she a sip and then a kaka she polish.
Rakashi a sip and then the kakashi polish, but hey, that word play crazy, you know what I'm saying?
I know robbery I receive out of cash I risk I give, and if you fuck good or brick I don't buy my shit I live. So me don't on online with a encrypted chip. Cause she a sin France in say a kid. Got a client on flip 6 big brick. Wash the money I rinse him at it. I don't know in my fit this clip in kingpin business whipping.
I deny me a kingpin business. I want to know. Hey, Najeeriii, yeah. I hope they not try. Yeah, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna say no like that. Wipe that for existence. You see, that's the kingpin business. This bitch, come you know.
Tinted. She na make a kill like a Ritz biscuit. Prezi Glock chip up on the grip. This built in big whip drifting, sweep chipped engine tough. This bitch been drinking enough, so how it fuck come and kill this slut. And I roll on it scuffy get the whip chipped up. Some I bring rums and he bring big guns.
Yo, the man chopping on this blood clot. Easy now, man. Najeeriii, bomba, big grabber like Bob. I want to know. No pussy there, come in.
I'm a runner with your fuck from the sprinting walk. I will fuck a beam up and make it fix first clean like Scotch Bright, but he gremlin done so. Tolling I chopper we are.
Man say clean like Scotch Bright, but the gremlin done. Come on, bro. This man, what I like about Najeeriii music, every time you listen to it, bro, you hear something different or you hear something you missed before. And what I like also, all sentences, everything I'm gonna say makes sense. You see me? The only reason I may not make sense to you if you didn't hear what I'm saying. You see me? That's what I like boy dog music. Big man thing.
Grabali for chip up and he bang me a lift. At the jacka she a drift so prezi drop a bigger whip. Probably chop a Milan quick and capas chop on it a ship. And me just tell prezi copy Glock and the college. That's the raka she a sip and then a kaka she polish. I know robbery I receive out of cash I risk I give, and if you fuck with over.
Man say no robbery, a risk. Bumper clad. A lot of people in on a robbery, a risk. Blood clad. Yo, people don't be hearing what this man saying, bro. You see me? Big man thing, man, body fuck.
Trapping on this stars, vanilla gift card, Dragonita split fast, Margarita Villa Beach, swallow me na sit card. Be my drift can, chopper for your chip tart, poverty has seen so we are chopper.
Man said, be my drift gone, Glocka for your chip dog. Bro, but you seriously, man, this is some bullshit. You see me? Like, man, yeah, I get it. Najeeriii talking a giant up. Blood clot, me I look for wed. The man rapping a giant up, big man thing. The man rapping cursive, bro. That's all. That's all I can say. You see me? Yeah, man. The man body of up, man. Come on.
We are live lads, Sasha fia lick balls, follow me na big yard. The black zoom so do banga we are inside, cool and cool. I do chopper we are SINTRAP.
Man say me black zoom so the banga me a rinse off. Bumbo claw. Hey, yeah, man. There be a talent there yard, man. Be a talent there blood cleat. Jamaica be a talent there, Trinidad, Tobago, the Caribbean and all. We talented your fuck, man. Big man thing. We music are the best. We love, yo, we love that side of freak.
In a chopper we are sin. Kerbali for cheap up and it banga me a live. I do jacka she a just a prezi drop a bigger whip. Strap on it a ship, and me just tell prezi copy like a nicolish. That's the raka she a sip and then a kakashi polish. I know robbery a risk, the amount of cash a risk I give on it.
The man say, I know robbery, a risk, amount of cash what we collect. Bro, you just have to listen to this man song, bro. Cause I know say a lot of people like a robbery, man say, I know robbery, a risk. You see me? Man say, I know thief, my thief, my run risk on here. You see me? This different when you chop. You see me? I say, easy no man, go on.
If you fuck with a brick, I do pa my shit a live. Some of them pan online with a encrypted chip. You. Got it.
Fuck with the brick at the bama we a lift. So we jump on the line with that encrypted chip. This bit been drinking enough. So I weed fuck when me kill this load. You know? Yo! Yeah man. Yeah man, Daniel, big up yourself. So much talent in Jamaican Caribbean for real, bro. Big up your damn self. Hey Daniel, you know music, you know. You see me? So on every blood clip video more, you make sure you drop your request them, you know. Tell me if you listen to, you know. You see me? But yeah, man. Next stream. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna do more requested songs. This Thursday, I'm gonna decide if we wanna do a album review or reaction. You see me? So let me know if you wanna see the album review or reaction this Thursday, or if you wanna see Saturday and Sunday. All right. What would you guys prefer? Tomorrow we do more requests. Yeah, tomorrow I want to do more request videos. Then next stream, yeah. Tomorrow, Daniel, you see me? I'm gonna do a little pop-up, little live, little surprise live stream tomorrow. And I want to do more request songs. You see me? Y'all send me a request just like y'all do now, and I do reaction to it. And then Thursday, Saturday, or Sunday, y'all pick which day y'all want me to do the sonology. You want me to do the album review. You feel me? And I'll get it done for you guys. You know what I'm saying? And also, you know, for me, because I'm also interested in hearing it and reviewing it. You guys are interested in hearing it and hearing me review it. So yeah, man. So let me know, guys. You know what I'm saying? When would you prefer it? Thursday, you feel me? Saturday or Sunday?